तो आरक्षण की आग में लगातार बांग्लादेश जल रहा है। बांग्लादेश में तख्ता पलट हो चुका है। उसके बाद लगातार ये कयास लगाए जा रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से बांग्लादेश के हालात सुधरेंगे। क्या पाकिस्तान जो है वो बांग्लादेश को अब एक शरण के तौर पर देख रहा है? क्या बांग्लादेश पाकिस्तान बन जाएगा? ये तमाम तरह की अटकलों के बीच हमारे साथ बांग्लादेश के पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री कह सकते हैं शेख हसीना के बेटे सजीव वाजिद हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं। मिस्टर सजीव वाजिद, welcome in News India, India's prominent news channel.
Thank you very much.
So now I want to know you that what's the current situation of Bangladesh?
The current situation is very, very bad. There is violence throughout the country. Many of our, they've targeted the Awami League, specifically many of our members of parliament, many of our local leaders and activists have been killed. They've arrested some of our former ministers. The mob has burned down the houses of all our ministers, many members of parliament, including our cricketer Mashrafi. They burned his house down. They are looting everywhere. They're vandalizing everything. They have burned down my grandfather's museum, which was his home, where my entire family was murdered in 1975. They have burned that down. They're destroying his statues and murals throughout the country. And they are also attacking minorities. They're attacking temples. It's total anarchy. The police have, because the students had attacked and the militants had attacked the police and killed so many police officers during the protests, that the police have basically quit. The police have left their posts and gone into and left.
Okay.
And so there is no law and order in the country right now. It's just anarchy and violence.
Mr. Wazid, what will be your next step?
I don't have any next steps. That is what happens in the country is up to the people of the country. I am just trying to save my people, our Awami Leaguers, trying to help them get out of the country safely.
Okay. Are you really think that is conspiracy of the other political parties?
Of course, of course. Without a doubt. BNP Jamaat, of course, were involved in this. They were provided the weapons behind the students because those who attacked police stations, they were armed with firearms.
Okay.
Students did not have guns.
Okay.
Students cannot just get firearms.
Okay. Mr. Wazid, what do you think right now about India?
I think India's security is in danger right now on the eastern side. Sheikh Hasina had kept the eastern side of India safe. She had kept the minorities safe. And now without Sheikh, she's the only government that was able to contain the militants. And since 1975, she has been the only government that has been able to successfully contain the militants. And so India should be very, very concerned.
Actually, the situation of minorities is currently not good in Bangladesh. So what are you doing for this?
But there is nothing I can do. I have no power in Bangladesh now.
Okay, so there is the situation is out of control.
Right.
Okay. So my last question is that what will be the future of Bangladesh if the situation is out of control?
I think Bangladesh right now is starting to resemble Afghanistan. In the long run, it will probably become like another Pakistan. You will have a weak government. You will have militants having a free hand.
Okay.
That is the future.
Mr. Wazid, as you know that our channel is Hindi channel, so are you comfortable to talk with me in Hindi language?
I can speak a little bit.
Okay, so my question is that कि जो बांग्लादेश के मौजूदा हालात हैं उसमें किसी भी चीज पर नियंत्रण पाना मुश्किल हो रहा है, तो वहाँ की जो माइनॉरिटीज हैं, अल्पसंख्यक हिंदूज हैं, टेम्पल्स को तोड़ा जा रहा है, उसको लेकर के अपोजिशन पार्टीज कुछ कर रही है, क्योंकि अंतरिम सरकार जो है उसका गठन हो चुका है एक तरीके से।
नहीं, हमारा ऑपोजिशन पार्टी है बीएनपी जमात। वो तो जमात के साथ है। वो जब पावर में थे तभी तो माइनॉरिटीज के ऊपर हमला चल रहा था, तो वो तो माइनॉरिटीज को बचाएगी नहीं।
जी, थैंक यू सो मच to connect with us. Thank you so much, Mr. Wazid. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
तो आपने सुना हमारे साथ शेख हसीना के बेटे सीधा एक्सक्लूसिवली जुड़े। उन्होंने किस तरीके से बांग्लादेश के मौजूदा हालात पर उन्होंने बताया कि अब सिचुएशन आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल है, वहां के अल्पसंख्यकों के साथ ज्यादती हो रही है और वहां के हिंदुओं के साथ भी ज्यादती हो रही है, और भारत को लेकर के वो एक सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण रखते हैं। ये तमाम चीजें जो हैं वो सजी वाजिद ने हमारे साथ कही। फिलहाल के मेरे साथ इस बुलेटिन में सिर्फ इतना ही। देश दुनिया की तमाम बड़ी और अहम खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए न्यूज़ इंडिया। नमस्कार।